Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can find Pinterest URL. So if you would like to find the URL or the link to your Pinterest profile, just open the page of your saved pins or your Pinterest profile, whatever is that. Tap over here at this three dots to your top right. And go for the copy profile link option. And once you tap on it, the link to your Pinterest profile will be copied into the clipboard on your device. If you would like to get the link to any of the pins, just open it, choose the send option and go for the copy link. Alrighty, so I guess that covers everything. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching and bye bye.